Hello everybody and welcome back to Yelan app. In this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to make an appointment in Wells Fargo. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just go into Google and search for Wells Fargo, as you can see. So search for Wells Fargo, and now for example we can take this one right here where it says checking accounts just as an example for this tutorial, but you can take whatever like you want basically, and then just click on it, and now you should be taken to a similar page to this. Scroll down a little bit and look for this one right here where it says make an appointment at a branch, and click right here. And by the way, if you already have an account with Wells Fargo, you can sign in, or you can just click on continue as a guest. So right now I actually before clicked on continue as a guest, so that is why I'm now taken to this page. So for example, reason for your visit, if it's for you personally or for your business, but for example we can take open new account for me right here. And if you didn't see what you're looking for, you can obviously leave a comment in here as well. Then click on next. Then click on, we're going to actually, let's say next Wednesday. Yeah, next Wednesday is going to be good. Now you're going to enter your zip code or city. So for example, New York. And if you're a Spanish speaking banker preferred, as you can see, that is also actually possible. So now I'm just going to click on search. Just going to search here for me. So we need to wait a couple of seconds, I think. And perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So for example, we can select this location right here. We can take, for example, this time, then click on next. And then you're going to fill out your contact information, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and yeah, phone type, as you can see, for example, if it's a mobile. And yeah, check this box to receive SMS text message, as you can see. And when everything is done, click on next, and then you will be able to make an appointment with Wells Fargo.